With the events happening now around the world, it is important for us also to look at these things. Siyempre, like yung events na nangyayari sa Iran and the US ngayon, merong mga technologies na nai-introduce and how they fight. Although itong mga exercises na to are not necessarily itong mga technologies na to are not necessarily included right now, but as a modern army, we have to look at this also. No? So maybe in the future, may incorporate natin to. But right now, yung current na capabilities natin, ang gusto nating i-test, yung interoperability ng mga mga combat arms and support arms natin, ano.
Target acquired, ready to fire. Target acquired. Target acquired, ready to fire.
Well, yung scenario natin, just like a regular archipelagic country would do, no? Siyempre, napapalibutan tayo ng dagat. Natural na ang scenario natin ay yung naval, manggagaling doon ang threat, ano? Ginamit natin yung artillery coming from afar, yung scenario na may, kunyari, merong vessel, and then as they go close to the land, ginamit naman yung infantry fighting vehicle natin, and then yung infantry natin, at saka there was also a demonstration of the drone capability, na paano siya ika-counter rin. Why we are doing these exercises, to prepare our troops, our units, in the event na magkaroon ng kung anumang mga encroachment sa atin.
Then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.